Hi everybody, I'm Noelle Randall, and on today's show, I'm going to be talking to you about probate and how to use the court's website to find probate cases. I've gotten so many questions. Everybody is loving probate. I've had some people that have had some great stories, great success stories, and everybody is loving this, but there's a couple of you out there that are like, how do I go on the court's website and find them? I'm going to show you how on today's video. Stay tuned. Let's go. Hi, this is Noelle Randall.
More great news for real estate investors.
How would you like to be a boss? I'm going to show you how. Buy houses using a credit card. So let's talk about wholesaling now. Hi everybody, I'm Noelle Randall, real estate entrepreneur, mentor, and mama of 5. And on today's show, I'm going to be talking to you about how to use the court's website to find those open probate cases so that you can send them letters and market to them and find you some great real estate deals to either wholesale or to fix and flip. All right, so let's go. The first thing that you want to do, because obviously I'm Noelle, I'm just one person, I'm going to give the truth to you. I don't know every single county's website and how it works. So I'm going to tell you some information. I'm going to tell you how to find the information, but I'll probably be using the Dallas County website just as a reference for you. And I'm going to have some videos embedded in here to kind of just show you really quickly. But I'm going to explain this to you and you're going to be able to understand and you'll be able to do the same. Okay? So the first thing that you want to do is just Google whatever county website, okay? Court records, all right? And so you're going to come across courts. And then some cases, like for example, in Dallas, they'll say criminal court cases, it'll say civil cases. Obviously, we don't want criminal cases, we just want civil cases. And that's where we're actually going to find most of our deals and most of our properties will be in the civil cases. That's where you would find bankruptcy. That's where you would find divorce. That's where you would find evictions. But for this video, I'm just going to be talking about probate. So let's go. So the first thing that you want to do with Dallas County is find out how and where the open cases are. So from my experience, I already know that you have to search by the judge, okay? So there's 3 probate courts in Dallas County. It'll say probate 1, probate 2, probate 3. And what I do is I just write down what the judge's name is, and then the judicial officer, that's the judge, that's how I do my search, okay? So let's go through this quickly. You will find open cases because there'll be a button that says search, all right? Then you'll go cases and it'll say what court. Of course, you will pick probate court. Then you'll pick all statuses or all of the cases. And then it'll say judicial officer, or how do you want to search? There'll be, you could search by the court case number. You could sort by the defendant's name, the plaintiff's name. But of course, you don't want that. You just want all of the probate cases. So you'll search by the probate court judge's name. And for example, in Dallas, there's 3. One is like Thomas Hull. The other one is like Judge Warren. And then the other judge is, I forget the name, but there's 3. And again, you can just search that. And so at any given time, most of the cases are going to 1 or 2 of those judges, and the other judge probably doesn't have a big caseload. So then there's going to be a search date section. You're going to try to pick cases from about 4 months ago to present. And you're going to want the statuses that say application, so new application. Because there's going to be many different statuses for probate, such as motion filed or determination of heirship, or, the case may be, fighting back and forth and there'll be different motions filed. You don't want any of those statuses. You just want the new cases, and that's the first status. And the first status is application for probate, okay? And that's the simple way to do it. So now let me give you a recap if you're not in Dallas County. In any county, because even Dallas, they will change it. I'm making this video in May of 2019, and in June, it could be changed a little bit because they're always tweaking it. So here's what you do for everybody in every case. Call the county clerk for the court, okay? So the probate court has a clerk. You'll call those clerks and you'll say that you're a student, okay? Because they'll just assume you're a law student. And again, you'll just go ahead and let them make that assumption. You just want them to walk you through how to find the open probate cases. And again, here's what I would say, and then I'm going to give you some words because some of them are a little grumpy, okay? Some of the court clerks are a little grumpy, and they know that real estate investors call and ask for this information and bug them, and they do not usually like real estate investors. So that's why you want to just say you're a student, and you have maybe just say, I have an assignment, okay? And Noelle is giving you an assignment. Go to your county clerk's website and find your open probate cases. That's your assignment. So when you call the county clerk, say that you're a student and here's your assignment. You need to know how to find the open cases for probate, how to sort them, because you need the courts, you need the open cases. And you need to know the names of the statuses. The first status is usually called application for probate. It's like the first status that opens up the case. Okay, that's as soon as the person files in the court, that's when you want to kind of get to them. If they've been in probate for a very long time, most likely they've disposed of the property. Another investor may have gotten to them. If you're super desperate and you're like, super hungry and you're like, I can do this, you can definitely call on the old cases, because in many cases, those people will be very motivated if they waited a long time. But at the same time, know that your conversion rate is going to go down because those people have been out there a lot longer and other people have had the opportunity to call them. So, okay. Hopefully you got all of that. Like I said, I'm going to insert some information in there from the Dallas County, but any court case, I've gone through so many, Osceola County, Fulton County, and Georgia, like a lot of them, they're super easy to find, and everything is online now. It's just sometimes a little bit more difficult to navigate, but the easy thing to do, the savvy thing to do is just call, tell them you're a student, and ask them, how do you find those cases, okay? All right, so this is Noelle Randall. Please remember to like this video, comment below that you are going to go and do your assignment. Say, I am going to do my probate assignment. Write that below in the comment section. I want to see how many people are really out there doing it. I'm getting some great feedback from you all. Remember to click the little bell so that you see the notifications. I'm posting new videos every single week, but if you keep liking them, I will be able to keep bringing you new content. So thank you so much. I'll see you next time.